Hello, ma'am. Can you spare some change?
Did you just assume my gender?
I'm sorry.
I'm just kidding. Let's see if I have change. Oh, looks like all I have is a Pokemon card, expired candy, and a battery. Oh, don't cry. I have an idea. Just do this and you'll be set for life.
Will that really work?
Oh, for sure. And you're gonna need this.
Nobody move and give me all your monies. All part of the plan.
I sentence you to life in prison.
Yes! Officer, so we get 3 meals a day, right? Yeah. Now go brush your teeth. That kid saved my life.